Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add AliExpress products to Shopify, and here's how it is done. First, go to your Shopify store and scroll down the left-hand menu to find apps. Click on it, then search for AliExpress in the search bar. A new page will load, and you'll want to find the app called Deserves. Click on it, and then click on Add App. When prompted, confirm that you want to link the app to your account by pressing Yes. After that, click Install App in the top right corner. If it is your first time, you will need to choose a plan. Select the free one on the far right. You will also need to create an AliExpress account and link it to the app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once your account is set up, go to the import list, where you will see how to import your first product. First, click the blue hyperlink, which will open a new page showing various products available for drop shipping. For example, I will choose this watch. Copy the product link, then return to the import list and paste the link into the importer search box in the top right corner. Press search, and once the product loads, select the checkbox next to it and click Push to Shopify. Scroll down and ensure everything is selected as needed. Under Preferences, make sure Publish to Online Store is checked. This step is very important. Then click Push to Shopify. It will take a moment, but once it is finished, you will see a message confirming that it was successfully added to your store. Finally, go back to your Shopify store, click on Products, and you will see that the watch has been successfully added to your store. And that's everything you need to know about how to add AliExpress products to Shopify. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!